Let's take a look at this 80s classic here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1985 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile car, just 53,570 on this car at the moment. Has the high output L69 305 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, and you can see the front fascia, grille, headlights all looking good on this car. Burgundy metallic, paint code of 79U. Check out the still pictures. You'll see this car from the underside. You'll see the interior, engine bay, trunk. Car from every angle. All those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching the video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the Goodyear Eagle GT radials. Technician don't, those are a little bit older tires. As we take a look up and down this passenger side, you can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Paint shows well on this one considering its age. Burgundy or maple interior, and it is beautiful. Very nice interior. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look. You can see bucket seats, center console, factory stereo. That is working. Stick around to the very end of this video, and Jason's going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Electric rear to fog. And once again, you can see that passenger side really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Come around to the rear, take a look at the rear bumper. Trunk lid. The technician also noted it does have the complete exhaust. A few other things he stated: new front shocks, no shakes or vibrations when driving, so check that out when Jason's taking you for a virtual ride. Noted the brakes are 80% in the front and rear, and some minor powertrain seats, so nothing out of the ordinary on this one. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like Monte Carlos, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. No matter what vintage that you like, we do get a lot of Monte Carlos through here, as well as many other cars. So if you're just into cars in general, subscribe also. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. You can see the reflection on the door and driver's side with the cars behind me. So paint does show well on this one. I also want to mention all of you that have subscribed to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Well over 100,000 now. All right, take a look at this interior. Like I said, this interior is very nice shape. So door panel looking good. You can see modern amenities, power locks, power windows, remote mirror. I love these floor mats in here. They look great with that striping down the side matching the exterior. And then you can see, again, the condition of these bucket seats. Let me step back a little bit. So there's the true color of that interior. And you can see there's no rips, tears, holes. Doesn't really look like there's much wear there at all. If I get right up on top of it, it's going to wash it out. If you watched my videos before, it's due to the lighting and due to the camera. Let me step back. There's the true color of that interior. So a nice deep burgundy. Tilt column, cruise control. I think we need to fire this up. Still retains 4-barrel. Quadrajet on it, of course. Fired up. All the gauges were in working order according to the technician. And as you can see, the tack is up there. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that temp gauge to be up much. 53,570. There's your exact miles, fuel gauge working, voltmeter, oil pressure. Good sounding stereo in these cars too. What a little Rush fitting song right out of the 70s and 80s for this car. Top of the dash looking good. Again, passenger seat. Nice shape also. How about the headliner? Look at that, headliner in good shape. This car's ready to go. Turn the key, have some fun. Door closes nicely. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows. Or maybe you're like me and you always wanted one of these cars back when you were in the 80s. Here's your chance. Sounds good, looks good. Let's slip up to the front. I'll pop this hood so you can see this engine bay. It is also extremely clean. Hood liner and engine. So once again, that high output L69 305, automatic overdrive trans, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. AC Delco, battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. Here's the AC has been converted from the R12 to 134A. And as you can hear, that sounds good. As you can see, it's nice and clean and tidy. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. There'll be over 100 pictures of this car online. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, and stick around a bit longer. Jason will show you how this one goes down the road.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1985 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Looking good and driving very nice. Burgundy inside and out. SS badges, of course. An automatic right here on the center console. Bucket seats, cloth, comfortable bucket seats. Very responsive throttle. This car is nice and tight. Steering is tight. I say that in a good way. It means it's kind of like new. Shifting nice and firm from the automatic transmission. That's what you like. The blower motor works on this car. The speedometer working. Fuel gauge reads a little over half. The volts are reading over 14 volts, which is good. Temperature approximately 160. Still warming up. Oil pressure a little over 40, also very good. And the tachometer right here on the right working. Clock equipped right below the tach, inside the tach technically, is a clock that is counting the seconds. Nice, smooth yet firm ride. The sporty feel of the Monte Carlo coming through. Cruise control working. Horn also working as it should. Storage compartments of the day with ashtray. You don't always get an ashtray anymore, do you? This car's got an ashtray. That's the 80s for you. And center storage compartment between the seats as well. Really nice looking dash. I'm not seeing any cracks. The carpet looks great. The door panels, the seats look great. This era of bucket seat might be one of my favorites. I feel like you can just drive for 5-6 hours and not get a sore back. Very comfortable. Corners easily with power steering and corners well. Check out all the pictures of this very nice Monte Carlo at UniqueClassicCars.com.